Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking prerequisites and turning on the basic switches. First, open Settings and confirm your iPhone model and iOS version so features match instructions. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active because location uses network assistance for faster fixes. Next, confirm your device is unlocked and your Apple ID is signed in. Some location sharing features require that. Now, proceed to enable location services so apps can request GPS. You'll now enable system location and assign app permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security Location Services and toggle it on. This activates the GPS stack. Then, scroll through apps and choose permissions. While using is safest for most navigation apps, always is needed for background tracking. Also enable precise location for maps and ride-share apps so they get exact coordinates. Turn it off for apps that only need city-level info. These steps control how and when apps access your GPS. You're finishing up by verifying system settings and handling problems. Make sure date and time is set automatically so GPS satellites sync properly, then test maps or your app. If location seems off, restart the iPhone and try again. Many fixes appear after a reboot. If accuracy remains poor, update iOS for bug fixes, and as a last resort, reset location and privacy under Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone. If that fails, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.